Unicorn. Hey everyone, it's Daisy here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of an Elves box. As you can see, this box is a little bit crumpled up. It's been sitting in my closet. I was actually going through my closet the other day and I saw it and I was like, oh my goodness, why have I not opened you yet? So we are here today to open it. It's probably one from last year because I'm a bit behind opening these up and you've been hiding from me. Ooh, I feel like I'm opening some sort of a time capsule because that's how long it's been. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is from December, if you cannot believe. December Elves box, unicorn theme. Oh my goodness, unicorns. Okay. This is what you first see when you open the box. It looks like you get some packing peanuts. Are these edible? Not too sure. And you get some goodness in a bag. Interesting. Alright, I see. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. Comes in a little baggie, which I'm unopening right now. And the first thing that we have in here is this. It is some sort of a chain and it's got a couple of little screwy bits as well, which is cool. Here's the 14 karat gold beaded necklace. I think that's what this is. So, okay, that seems especially expensive sounding. Then we have this. Oh my goodness, it's hollow, guys. Hollow. Wow, what is this? Oh my goodness. Can you guys see how hollow that is? This here is the holographic unicorn film of some sort. I wonder what I can use this for. Then we have these. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's two of them in here. Good value. Two of them. And they look like little crystals. So like unicorny looking crystals in all sorts of different colors. This one comes in like a teardrop shape and that one comes in some sort of a heart shape. Damn, those are really pretty. Next in here we have, there is so much stuff in this bag. It is ridiculous. Okay, let's pull out something else. Soft and smooth, easy to use, can be boiled. Wow, okay. Have you guys ever boiled polymer clay before? Okay. We now also have this. Oh, there's more. I'll put these two together. These are some glitters. Some glitz and glammy glitters. Okay, so this one here comes in like purpley green, bluish sort of tinges of glitter. And it has different sort of shapes and sizes of glitter, which is cool. And then this one is, amazing. This is the bomb. This is unicorn shaped glitter. So it's hollow and it's in the shape of a unicorn head. Can you just imagine? What else do we have in this box? Okay, we have this, which is a cutout of a unicorn head, I think. Or a moustache that's weirdly and oddly shaped. No, I think it's a unicorn head. Unicorn. Is it meant to be this way or this way? I'm not too sure. Okay. So next we have more glitter. You can't have too much glitter. So this is a pack of hollow silver glitter. And it comes with different shapes of stars. So you've got like the tiny one, baby ones over here. And then you have the middle ones, which are like, you know, medium size. And you've got one here that's like massively sized and more tiny ones. So that's pretty cool that they've got all the different sizes of glitter. In this bag, we also have some tubes of stuff. We have resin, UV resin, which is cool. I've got like a UV light because I do UV nails. Lastly, we have this, which is also resin, but in a little baggie. Okay, so I'm assuming this is the puffy UV resin from Japan. I can't tell, but I think that's what it is. This bag is now empty. Oh, that's so cool. It's got Sophie and Toffee on it. Ah! Can't believe I didn't open this box sooner. Like, this is from December. What the hell, Daisy? Anyways, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. I'll be doing some crafting things in the future with the stuff that I get from this box. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!